everyone, my name is Hiral Gurk. Welcome back to Lockdown Activity channel. Today we are going to make, guess what is this? Actually I put it like this. Now you guess. Did someone say the chair? Yes, this is a chair. What is this? Did someone say a table? Yes, this is a table. So we're going to make these things out of Lego blocks. Now let's get started making our table and our chair. I have some blocks to make the chair. We need these many blocks. So we will get these blocks that I told you the video of the bookstand. We have to take those corning blocks. We have to take the bottom part of the blocks and taking it. We have to take 4 of them and make it in a standing line like this. Now I'm going to take this block. I'm going to put a little forward as you could see and lock it. Leave one space, then you could lock it. Then here is 2 space. You take blocks. You take bricks like this. You could also call blocks. I don't want to call both of them. Never mind. And then now you take these blocks. These blocks. Make it like this. There's one more left, but these are 2, so we have to also take these blocks also. Do the same thing in the other side. No, I'll put this for the top because this is so special. And you make one more layer over here. I will apply this since it has a hole. I'm making it for our dolls. We're making it for our dolls, and I'm going to make this button. Take this kind of blocks, put it, and you put it over here, and continue building this thing. I put this without making the video because I want to tell you something. Here there is 3 dots and 2 dots. There's also one way. Just take 3 dots blocks and put it in the first or second. Then take the 2 dots block and put it in the end or first. So now we'll make the upper top. First let's make the feet of the chair. I will take the 2 square shape of blocks and build it and put it over here. It's okay if it's like this, just build it again. Now I'm going to take again these type of blocks, connect it and make the 4 feet of the wheelchair. But you have to apply in the corner the foot, because just take your chair and find out where are the foot of your chair. I have applied the 4th foot. Now you do this slowly because it will not do it. If it's simple, I'll tell you the simple way that you could apply the feet of the chair. Just lock this things and just take out it slowly. Now we will build up this part. Let's start from starting. We have to build up here. Then take the other block here. And again do the same thing. Same. See, 2 spits. I shall put this here. You could see the yellow, very light yellow. You could see through it. See? If you only keep your one eye closed and one eye open. For easy thing, one eye closed and one eye open, put your hand in one eye and just high. Now let's make the table. Now we made it the chair. Now we will make the table. For table it's really simple. I'll tell you something. First you have to do the simple, not simple things. Yeah. First you have to do harder things, then do the simple things. Because if we do the harder things first, it's very nice and very good. If we do the easy things second, it will be really easy if we do that things. I'm making a video that's hard thing for me, but it's okay. I like to make videos because it's lockdown. Yeah. So, my mom promised me after making the video, we will make something with cardboard. I don't know what is that. I think that's a surprise. Yeah, my mom told that's a surprise. Yeah. So, anyways, let's start making the table. For this, we will need these flat things. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. Now I will take this piece and leave one circle and clip it. Now join it. Now it's kind of easy. Just take this one and do it. Okay. And you take the one circle one and stick it over here and over here. Everywhere if you see one circle, you just stick to one circle. Like, I mean this kind. There you go. Again, like we did in the chair, we have to take 2 square blocks and join it and put it at the side of head like this. Do it for everything, every sides. This time it will not be loose because we have locked everywhere, right? If you want to lock over here also, you could. And you could also apply, the legs here. But it should be equal with the chair. Okay. See, so simple. So, our table and chair is ready. So, look at this. Nice. Especially if we apply these clear thing, we could see through some. Hi again. Should I say bye again? Never mind. And nice, right? This table is nice. You could have put your small type of dolls over here, and it's equal. See? So I hope you liked and subscribe and share this video and bye.